You know what almost nobody talks about as we age? It's not just the need for reading glasses, or that screens suddenly feel harsher. It's the small, almost invisible ways your eyes and brain start slowing down. You notice it in little moments. Letters blur for a split second. Your eyes sting or tire after just a few minutes of scrolling. Or you walk into a room and forget why you came. Nothing dramatic, nothing alarming, just slower. Most people are told this is normal aging, but that's only part of the story. Recent research shows something surprising. After 60, the eyes and brain aren't broken. They're undernourished. They're missing the nutrients they need to repair themselves, especially while you sleep. In fact, studies reveal most older adults lack at least one key nutrient that powers overnight recovery. Night after night, the repair process runs half-empty, and over time, it quietly adds up. The good news: this doesn't require prescription drugs, fancy gadgets, or complicated routines. Certain natural juices, made from simple real foods and taken at the right time, can improve blood flow, protect your eyes, and help your brain recharge while you sleep. In this guide, I'll show you 4 science-backed juices that support sharper vision, clearer thinking, and better overnight recovery, using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Blueberry juice. Some juices enhance delivery, others enhance resilience. Blueberry juice focuses on memory and neural protection. As we age, one of the earliest and most frustrating changes isn't always obvious in the eyes. It appears in memory. Short-term recall slips, names and numbers take longer to surface, and multitasking feels heavier. These subtle cognitive changes often stem from the gradual loss of synaptic flexibility and the slow accumulation of oxidative stress in neural circuits. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and directly protect neurons. They improve communication between brain cells and support synaptic plasticity, the foundation of learning and memory. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows older adults who consumed blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks had measurable improvements in memory performance and cognitive function. Functional MRI scans revealed increased activity in brain regions responsible for memory, attention, and executive function. Blueberries also support vascular health. Tiny blood vessels feeding the brain and eyes are vulnerable to oxidative damage, which slows nutrient delivery and accelerates cognitive decline. The polyphenols in blueberries help maintain the elasticity and integrity of these vessels, supporting sustained mental clarity. Take Linda, 70. She noticed names slipping from her mind during conversations and had trouble keeping track of her grocery list. After introducing a small glass of blueberry juice in her mid-morning routine, she reported sharper recall and an easier time focusing within weeks. Her afternoon fatigue felt lighter too, as if her brain had a smoother flow of energy. To try it yourself, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with half a cup of water. Drink around 10 to 11 a.m. when the brain's demand for nutrients and oxygen peaks. Blueberry juice doesn't stimulate or force memory. It nourishes the underlying system, enhancing the brain's ability to repair, communicate, and recall naturally. Like the other juices, it works quietly. It restores resilience. It helps the eyes and brain function with more clarity, sharper memory, and better overall endurance as the day progresses. Number 2. Beetroot and spinach juice. Some juices enhance energy. Others enhance circulation. Beetroot and spinach juice focuses on oxygen delivery and overall brain-eye vitality. As we age, even subtle reductions in blood flow can affect both vision and cognitive performance. The tiny vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina and brain gradually narrow, making it harder for tissues to repair overnight. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Spinach adds a potent mix of lutein, zeaxanthin, and folate, nutrients that protect the retina and support neural health. Together, they help maintain oxygen and nutrient delivery to critical tissues, supporting sharper vision and steadier thinking. Research in the journal Nutrients shows that older adults who drank beetroot juice daily experienced improved blood flow, enhanced cognitive processing speed, and better exercise tolerance. Spinach's antioxidants also reduce oxidative stress in neural tissues, complementing beetroot's vascular effects and protecting against age-related decline in eye and brain function. Take Samuel, 69. He noticed his energy lagged in the afternoons, and fine details like reading small print became harder to see. After adding a glass of beetroot and spinach juice to his mid-morning routine, he reported feeling more alert, with his eyes less strained and his focus sharper within a few weeks. To try it yourself, blend 1 medium beetroot with a generous handful of fresh spinach and half a cup of water. Drink around 10 to 11 a.m. when oxygen demand and neural activity peak. Beetroot and spinach juice doesn't force energy. It enhances the system's natural delivery of oxygen and nutrients, giving both the brain and eyes a steady, gentle boost. Like the other juices, it works quietly. It supports resilience. It helps your eyes and brain function with more clarity, sustained energy, and better endurance as the day moves on. Number 3. Pomegranate and ginger juice. Some juices enhance delivery. Others enhance protection. Pomegranate and ginger juice focuses on antioxidant defense. As we age, oxidative stress quietly accumulates in the eyes and brain. Free radicals damage delicate retinal cells and neural connections, contributing to slower visual processing, increased glare sensitivity, and subtle cognitive decline. Pomegranate is exceptionally rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and support the tiny blood vessels that supply the retina and brain. These compounds help maintain cellular integrity and reduce the slow buildup of oxidative damage that can impair vision and mental sharpness over time. Ginger adds another protective layer. Its bioactive compound, gingerol, is anti-inflammatory and supports healthy circulation, improving nutrient delivery and waste removal in both neural and ocular tissues. Research published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience shows that polyphenols from pomegranate enhance memory performance and visual processing in older adults, while ginger has been linked to reduced markers of oxidative stress and improved vascular health. Take Maria, 72. She noticed dimming vision in the evenings and struggled with mental clarity after long reading sessions. After adding a small glass of pomegranate and ginger juice to her late afternoon routine, she experienced less eye fatigue, better contrast sensitivity, and sharper focus within weeks. To try it yourself, juice 1 small pomegranate with half an inch of fresh ginger root. Drink about half a cup around 4 p.m., giving your body time to absorb antioxidants and support retinal and neural repair as the evening progresses. Pomegranate and ginger juice doesn't accelerate the system. It protects and primes it, helping your eyes and brain function optimally while you sleep. Number 4. Carrot and turmeric juice. Some juices improve delivery. Others improve communication. Carrot and turmeric juice focuses on clarity and protection. As we age, vision problems aren't always about the eyes themselves. Often, they stem from low-grade inflammation quietly building up in the eyes and brain over time. This inflammation can blur how visual information is processed. colors seem less vivid, glare becomes uncomfortable, and focus fades more quickly, especially in the evening. Carrots are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the surface of the eye, supporting the retina, and preserving sharp contrast vision. Without enough, the eyes struggle to adapt to changes in light, particularly at dusk or night. Turmeric adds a powerful second layer of support: its active compound. Curcumin is widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects in both the brain and nervous system. Curcumin reduces inflammatory signals that can interfere with neural processing and visual clarity. Research backs this up. A study in ophthalmology science found that curcumin supplementation lowered markers of retinal inflammation and oxidative stress. Another study in advances in nutrition linked reduced neuroinflammation to improvements in attention and mental clarity. Together, these effects help maintain sharper vision and steadier focus. Take Robert, 68. He struggled with brain fog and had trouble seeing clearly while driving at dusk. After adding carrot and turmeric juice to his lunch routine, he noticed his mental fog lifted and his night vision improved within a month. To try it yourself, juice or blend 3 medium carrots with a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root. Add a small pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. As you've seen, aging doesn't suddenly break your eyes or your brain. It slowly starves them of oxygen, of antioxidants, of the nutrients that once kept signals sharp and vision clear, without effort. That's why the changes feel subtle. A little more strain, a little more fog, a little less clarity. Each year,